Guess what? We are having a giveaway today. Yeah, that's right. We are having a giveaway today, so remember to comment below. What do you like about our advent calendars? Or if you want to comment something completely different, be my guest. And this is a combined from all of this series with the advent calendars, so you can comment on any of them and you will still be able to be in the drawing for the giveaway. I have already shipped 2 products to 2 winners. I'm not only filming one video at a time, especially not this kind of videos. So what is on my face is from ESTÉE LAUDER, from this gift set. I have a different video for this one. Okay, so let's start with number 14. So what is this? It's 2 products. CHRISTOPHE Robin. So that's the 2. One of them is a scrub. Oh, a scrub. It's a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. 40 milliliters or 1.3 fluid ounces. And it says soothing detox treatment shampoo. And the next one is a regenerating mask with prickly pear oil. Sumptuous hair, revitalized and deeply nourished for dry and damaged hair. This is 75 milliliters or 2.5 fluid ounces from CHRISTOPHE Robin. And next from Cult Beauty, day number 14, Oil La La, linoleic acid rich oil serum for breakouts. So that's the one. I never have any breakouts anymore, so this is going into the giveaways. Okay, so SpaceNK. This is number 14 and I had to do it like this to get it out. So this is Then I Met You. It's a living cleansing balm. A deep cleansing ritual. This luxurious sorbet soft oil cleanser undergoes a surprising and delightful transformation on the skin, beginning as a rich balm before turning into a sumptuous oil emulsion. Our award-winning formulations celebrate Korean heritage ingredients. It says it will deeply cleanses with grapeseed oil. It soothes skin with sea buckthorn oil. And it nourishes skin with vitamin E and persimmon extract. It looks like this. Do you know about this company? Then I Met You. It's made in Korea. There is a message from the founder. I was inspired by Korean innovation and time-honored rituals to make sensorial and clinically effective skincare to elevate your self-care experience. Charlotte Cho, founder of Then I Met You. So another good day. Maybe not this one. I do not need this. So please, if you win something from me, let me know if you want this one also. But remember, it's a giveaway day. So leave your comments. And I'll see you again tomorrow. See you.